And what many people don't know is Manoa is a part of the same Ahupua'a as Palolo and Waikiki. And so for my hala, we learn many mele about the area in which we live, go to school, work. And so this next hula talks about this rascal rooster who just made it his job to annoy all the kings and queens that would visit Waikiki. So if many of you might not know this, but Waikiki, we don't see it that way today, but was a place of relaxation. Many of our kings and queens would spend their weekends and summers there. And so they would go to rest. And this kolohe rooster named Ka'auhelumua would, of course, wake them up at 3 o'clock in the morning, causing havoc to the rest that our kings and queens needed. So this takes us to Palolo and then to Waikiki for this hula called Pa Kamakani. Ai Pa Kamakani, Pa Kamakani newe kaleu kaniu ha kapua ko ali ke kula le ha kamakao kamanu ai pua le hua ha u ka ke kauli I kana hele li ka I o I ka au helu moala e ala pali o hiki kaua kena na aku nau ia e ua vale mahino kiki kaua nana I kalani kiki kaua nana I kalani hiki kaili o pua o ka o pe ala ae ala ae Pa Kamakani Kamakani nawe kalau kaniu ha kapua ko li ke kula le ha kamakao kamanu ai pua le hua ha u ka o ke kahuli I kana hele li ka I o I ka au helu mohala e ala pali o hiki kaua kena na aku nau ia e ua vale mahino hiki kaua nana I kalani hiki kaua nana I kalani hiki kaili o